These are 5 mistakes new lucid dreamers make in under 90 seconds. Start the clock. Too impatient. I get it. Wanting something to be quick and easy is built into us, but unfortunately lucid dreaming is not that way. For some people it may be that way, but for a lot of people it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience to learn how to lucid dream. Think of it like lifting weights. It takes more than one day to see results. Treat lucid dreaming the same way. Now the good part is lucid dreaming does not take a lot of effort, but it does take a lot of patience. Not getting enough sleep. You need to sleep more in order to dream more. If you're having trouble falling asleep or you're having trouble staying asleep, that's going to interfere with the amount of time that you're dreaming. And if you are using lucid dreaming techniques and it's causing you to become sleep deprived, stop using the techniques. Getting healthier sleep is going to lead to more lucid dreams than if you were to use techniques. Being too excited. It's important to be excited and passionate about lucid dreaming. But once you are actually inside of the dream, you need to take a step back and relax. That adrenaline rush you get when you realize that you are inside of a dream has woken up so many people and has ruined so many lucid dreams. I advise that you work on controlling your emotional state using meditation. You can meditate inside of the dream, and it has saved a lot of dreams for me. Not journaling. I know it sounds weird, but dream journaling is the most important thing you can do if you are new at lucid dreaming. It is a gateway into your mind. By dream journaling, you are training your brain to remember more dreams. By remembering more dreams, you're going to have more lucid dreams. Listening to the wrong people. No, you don't need to remain still and lay on your back to lucid dream. There's nothing you should or shouldn't do inside of a dream. There's no negative side effects. Lucid dreaming is completely safe. It is your own subconscious. It is your own world. It is your own mind. You should not let anyone tell you what you can or can't do inside of your own head. This has ruined the experience for a lot of people because they're too scared to do it, and I don't want you guys to have a bad experience, so stop listening to these people. Woo! If you are interested in lucid dreaming, consider subscribing. Comment if you have any questions, and if you like this video, I will make sure that you have a lucid dream as soon as possible. Sweet dreams, guys, and good night.